All right, so we got everything going, and in the last video I forgot to mention there is hardware. Should be 10 screws, 10 nuts, so all good to go. We're gonna get this ready to be installed, but I did want to say that this is for a 2018 to 2023 Can-Am X3, so which is right there. Putting it, and for the ones who are curious, it's going to be a 10mm, of course, and a 4mm Allen. So you start and tight it. You know how the drill goes. We're gonna get this all attached, and hey, what's up? And go ahead and get it all attached, and then we'll put it on. All right, so the best part about this whole project is to remove the film. Let's get to it. The satisfying portion of the video. Oh yeah, look at that. And this big old rubber seal, we'll just go around the perimeter of the plastic. That way, it, you know, weatherproofing it. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll show you when it's all on. Let's go. All right, so we are inserting or installing the weather stripping. The way you want to do it is you want the fat side, which I'll show you right here. So right there, that little indent right there clips into the or onto the windshield, and then this fat tube on top wants to face into the cab. Don't do it the outside, so make sure you do it right. I mean, worst case, you can just take it off and put it back on. It's not a big deal, but just so you do it right the first time. And that's how it'll look. Because this will be on the inside, not on the out. All right, we just got the weather stripping put on. As you can see, very easy. It does take a little bit of power, but not much. Just to make sure it snaps in, you'll definitely feel it. And then also the best part about it is, unlike some companies I won't name, they actually give you quite a bit extra. So you just cut it off. I started from the top, and that's just because it'll all be covered and you won't see that cut there. You won't want to start from like the sides or anything like that. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and cut this off with a razor blade, and we'll install it. See you guys then. The bottom one might be a little bit more of a pain, just because of the air goes on. It might, does it have the slide still? On the word strap. Just smash it.
It actually upgraded your side-by-side.
I think so.
It looks good.
Put on. And I really enjoy and really like the fact of their huge weather stripping, which is great. It just fits right under here. And then we got the straps all mounted in. Like I said, when you mount the rail to connect both windshields, you want the nuts going on from the inside. That way you see the nuts from the from the inside, but on the outside you don't see much. And then from the top here, when you put the plastic roof back on, only thing is right here, you might just have to loosen these straps up and feed the roof straps in through that. But other than that, it's not a big deal, and it is solid. See if I can, like, I'm pushing on this thing. You can't even see it flex at like much at all. So super stoked, and we'll get the roof put on. I'll do another update, and then we'll take it for a little test rip and see how I like the windshield.